I think one of the biggest challenges that organizations face when implementing cybersecurity is, quite honestly, the talent shortage. It's still a huge issue. It's very hard to find cybersecurity professionals who don't already have jobs, because they all get snatched up so quickly. And the reality is that pretty much every company in today's day and age, especially as more and more people work remotely and as more and more things go digital, pretty much every company needs cybersecurity resources, and they need this help desperately. But oftentimes, right, they're understaffed, and it's hard to find these qualified professionals. But I think it's a great opportunity for students to fill that need and to become the professionals that these companies need. And so one of the biggest, I think, challenges is being able to find professionals who have the knowledge and have the expertise. And I feel like I might sound like a broken record at this point, but getting that experience is super important. I feel like once you have the experience and you can truly contribute value to an organization, I'm sure there's always opportunity for development and growth in your career. But I feel like when you put yourself in that position, that's how you can help companies, is by being qualified, by knowing your stuff, by going out and truly learning and getting as much education and experience as possible in order to get into these organizations and truly make a difference.